Infinix GT20 Pro, a power-packed smartphone at an unbeatable price. The Infinix GT20 Pro has taken the Indian market by storm, offering a blend of high-end features and affordability. Priced at $24,999, this smartphone is available at its lowest on Flipkart as of June 4, 2024. Let's delve into what makes this device a standout option for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Key specifications: operating system, Android v14, RAM, 8GB, rear camera, triple setup, 108MP f/1.8 wide angle, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth sensor, front camera, 32MP, display, 6.78 inches, 1080 by 2436 pixels, 140 Hz refresh rate. Battery, 5000 mAh with 45 W fast charging. Processor, Mediatek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, Octa core, 3.1 GHz, storage, 256 GB inbuilt. Connectivity, dual SIM, 5G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, NFC, IR blaster, display, and design. The Infinix GT20 Pro features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels. The screen supports a 140 Hz refresh rate and 360 Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. With a peak brightness of up to 1300 nits and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, the visuals are vivid and sharp, perfect for gaming and media consumption. Performance: powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset and an Octa core 3.1 GHz processor, the GT20 Pro handles multitasking and intensive applications with ease. The device comes with 8 GB of RAM, which can be expanded virtually by another 8 GB, providing ample memory for all your needs. The 256 GB UFS 3.1 inbuilt storage ensures fast read and write speeds, though it lacks expandable storage options. Camera capabilities: the triple rear camera setup is headlined by a 108MP wide-angle lens, complemented by 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensors. The camera system supports features like AI scene recognition, super night mode, and 4K video recording at 60 FPS, allowing for stunning photography and videography. The 32MP front camera with dual LED flash ensures bright and clear selfies, even in low light conditions. Battery and charging: the 5000 mAh battery of the Infinix GT20 Pro ensures long-lasting performance. Coupled with 45 W fast charging, you can quickly recharge and get back to your activities without prolonged downtime. Connectivity and extras: the GT20 Pro supports dual SIM with 5G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, NFC, and USB-C v2.0. The inclusion of an IR blaster adds versatility, allowing you to control various home appliances. The in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock provide quick and secure access to the device. User reviews and comparisons: with a spec score of 88 and an overall rank of 300 out of 3,307. The Infinix GT20 Pro holds its own against competitors like the Poco X6 Pro 5G and Poco F6 5G. User reviews have been overwhelmingly positive, praising its performance, camera quality, and value for money. Conclusion: at $24,999, the Infinix GT20 Pro offers an impressive array of features typically found in higher-end models. Its combination of a high refresh rate display, powerful chipset, versatile camera system, and robust battery makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their smartphone without breaking the bank. Available on Flipkart at the lowest price, the Infinix GT20 Pro is a deal worth considering. Buy now. Flipkart: https://www.flipkart.com/infin ix-gt-20-pro/p/i/tmxyz closing parenthesis. Don't miss out on this powerful, feature-rich smartphone that promises to deliver on all fronts.